Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of mattress moving with what we believe are the best moving bags for mattresses on the market. Introducing the Queen Full XL Foam Mattress Vacuum Bag for moving by Storage Logic. This innovative solution is designed to make moving your mattress a breeze. Now, let's break down why this vacuum bag stands out from the rest. First up, let's talk about convenience. Moving a mattress can be a hassle, but with the Storage Logic vacuum bag, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply place your mattress inside the bag, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the air, and voila! Your mattress is compact and ready to move. What's impressive is the bag's 80% compression ratio, allowing you to reduce your mattress to a fraction of its original size. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, this bag ensures your mattress travels with ease. Now, let's talk durability. The Storage Logic vacuum bag is made from premium-grade PA plus PE material, making it leak-proof and puncture-resistant. This means your mattress is protected from air, dust, and dirt during transit. Plus, the bag features a double zip seal and stay-on clip, ensuring a secure closure and lasting compression. You won't have to worry about the clips falling off or the seal coming undone. But what about mattress compatibility? The Storage Logic vacuum bag is designed to fit queen, full, and full XL mattresses with up to an 18-inch thickness. Whether you have a foam or latex mattress, this bag has you covered. And because the bag is transparent, you can easily identify your mattress during unpacking. No more guessing games or searching through multiple bags. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable and efficient solution for moving your mattress, look no further than the Queen Full XL Foam Mattress Vacuum Bag for moving by Storage Logic. With its ease of use, durability, and compatibility, it's truly the best moving bag for mattresses on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy moving!